for today. Only the strong survive. Well, I guess when I look at it from a biblical standpoint, God says in our weakness, his strength is made perfect. So when I internalize these words and when I begin to really dive into the deeper meaning, is that strength is more than just a physicality. It is a mindset. It is a stature. It is a position of power. When you have to stand strong, when everything around you is trying to destroy you. The Bible says the enemy comes to steal, kill, and destroy. But God said, I come that you might have life, and have life more abundantly. Endure the hardness as a good soldier. For when you are tried, you're going to receive the crown of life. So what does it mean to stand strong when everything around you is shaking, when you can just feel the vibrations? You don't have to see the people. You can feel it in the atmosphere. It's when you have to stay connected to God, your creator. He will lead you into the path of righteousness. That's where his strength is made perfect in your weakness. Don't let the enemy shake you. Get up, stand strong, and keep it moving. Have a wonderful day.